Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Learn with Aiza. I am here with the topic preposition and types of preposition. In the previous lesson, I told you about the definition of preposition, examples of preposition, and types of preposition, preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of movement. We discussed preposition of time in detail in the last lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss preposition of place. So let's see what is preposition of place. Preposition of place. The most common prepositions to indicate time, on, at, in are also the most common prepositions to indicate position. Wow, it's interesting. It means the same prepositions that are prepositions of time also used to indicate position. Which one? On, at, in. On, at, in are the preposition that indicate the time as well as the position. Let's see the examples. The cat is on the table. On is preposition of place here. The dogs are in the kennel. Kennel is home of dogs. Okay, so in is indicating here the place. So it is preposition of place. We can meet at the crossroads. Where can we meet? We can meet at the crossroad. Crossroad is name of a place. On is used when referring to something with a surface. Okay, surface means table, wall, floor, roof. So let's see the examples. The sculpture hangs on the wall. Wall is a surface and the sculpture hangs on the wall. The images are on the page. The specials are on the menu which is on the table. I hope it is clear to you that on is used referring to something with a surface. In is used when referring to something that is inside or within confined boundaries. Jim is in France, visiting his aunt in the hospital. France is a confined boundary, is name of a country. Visiting his aunt, where is he visiting? In the hospital. So in is also referring a place. The whiskey is in the jar in the fridge. In the jar in the fridge. It means inside the jar inside the fridge. In. The girls play in the garden. Garden is also a confined boundary. Garden has also a boundary. So the girls play in the garden. Let's see what is next. At. At is used when referring to something at a specific point. Let's see the examples. The boys are at the entrance at the movie theater. Okay, so entrance at the movie theater is a specific point. So we are writing here preposition of place at. He stood at the bus stop at the corner of Water and High Streets. Bus stop is a specific point. So we are writing here at as a preposition of place. We will meet at the airport. At is also used here. Let's recall on. On is used when referring to a surface. In is used when referring inside something or within a confined boundaries, and at is used when you are pointing out a specific place, when you are talking about a specific place or specific point. Let's see what is next. Lots of other preposition of place such as under, over, inside, outside, above and below are used in English. There is, however, a lot less confusion as they refer to rigid position rather than abstract ones. For example, the cat is under the table. Put the sandwich over there. The key is locked inside the car. They stepped outside the house. Major is ranked above April. Under, over, inside, outside, above are example of preposition of place, and you have seen here that all of these preposition of place are used for rigid positions. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.